Hello and welcome to another review. This time I'm reviewing the LEGO Hidden Side Newbury Subway set that came out in 2020. When it came out, it retailed for $29.99. It was 348 pieces and 3 minifigures. Now let's get on to the build. Here's the first minifigure, and his name is Jack Davids. And this is the white hoodie version. He comes with this cool hat hoodie combo piece that was introduced with this figure. There's printing on the face and front of the torso and legs. And you can see he has a scar there. And then there's the back printing on the face and torso. He comes with the ghost dog, and the dog's name is Spencer. That's a cool piece. He also comes with a phone and a mountain bike. So that's it for the first minifigure. And here's the second figure, which is Parker L. Jackson. And she comes with the headphones and the purple hair. She's got some cool printing on the front. These ripped jeans. Then there's the back printing on the face and torso. She comes with a skateboard and a phone. And here's the third and final figure. And this is Pete Peterson. And he's just a worker, I'm guessing working down in the subway. He has a sweating face. And I actually like this red color on the torso and legs. It's nice. And then here's the back printing. And you can convert this into a ghost. Let me show you that in a sec. And here's the ghost version of Pete. And you can make him by replacing his head with this ghost head and then putting these pieces on him. There's a better look at the ghost head. And he comes with all these like ghost pieces here. So that's pretty cool. But I think there's a mistake. In the instructions, they're like closer. They're this color, the color of the head. But they're not actually that when in hand. And I've seen this in Just Do Good's review also, so I think there's just a mistake there. So I guess that's interesting. And I forgot to show the printing on the back of the head. So now let's look at the build. Okay, and here is the main build, which is the subway. And I really like this build, and I like the colors. I like the green and the sand green. I just think it really looks nice. But anyway, here's the first section. I guess it's supposed to represent like a little tunnel that goes that way. Then there's this sticker here, a little clock that's a little broken. First sticker here. And I like the shaping up here with these pieces up here. And there's a newspaper here. This is a printed piece. So that's pretty cool. You can move that down, these move. And then there's this little wooden ramp with the sticker on it. It goes here. And that's it for the little first section. And here's the main section, the middle section. And it's the part with the train. And the main play feature of this is if you pull this like pipe, come out and reveal the monster, which is, there's a play feature like this for every hidden side set. I think it's cool, but I don't really need it, you know. I just like how the set looks without it, but I guess it's cool. And then there's this other section, which is a small section. This turns. I don't know what this is for. I'm guessing it's for the app, but I don't really care about the app. I just like the sets. So yeah, I'm this is really useless in terms of if you don't have the app. So, and here's the back, and I'm guessing this is the hidden side that you see in the other set that like is all blue, and that's for the hidden side. And there's not really much else for the back. See how that works on the back side. So yeah, that's it for the build. And the last thing I want to talk about is in the terms of how I got this set. So this is my first hidden side set, besides a polybag, but I really like the set and wanted to get it. So I went on eBay, and I was looking for a sealed one, and this said it was sealed, but when I got it, it wasn't sealed. I noticed it was taped back. So I opened it, and it was all in one bag, and some of it was still built. So what I did is I went through the instructions and went through every single piece to see if everything was there. And the only things missing was the ghost head and the phone, this phone. So I got those off Bricklink, and I had to do that. And I put them all back into my own numbered bags to make it easy for me. But yeah, I was kind of annoyed when I got that. But eventually, it all worked out, and the whole set is here. So, that's nice. But anyway, that's all I have to say. So, see you next time. Goodbye.